Hey everybody, Thomas here. Today we're diving into the world of VPNs with a close look at Surfshark. VPNs are becoming essential for online security and privacy. Surfshark has been making waves in the tech community, and for good reason. They offer a compelling package that combines strong security features with an easy-to-use interface. Whether you're a casual internet user or a tech-savvy individual, a reliable VPN like Surfshark is becoming increasingly important. Let's explore what makes Surfshark a compelling choice in the crowded VPN market. Surfshark stands out for its commitment to user privacy and value for your money. It's a powerful tool that encrypts your internet connection, making your online activity private and secure from prying eyes. In a world where our digital footprints are constantly tracked, Surfshark offers a much-needed layer of anonymity. When it comes to VPNs, trust is paramount. Surfshark understands this and has built a reputation for transparency and user privacy. They are located in the British Virgin Islands, a jurisdiction known for its strong privacy laws. This means Surfshark is not subject to data retention laws that plague many other countries. You can be confident that your online activity is not being logged or monitored. Surfshark's commitment to privacy is a major selling point for users concerned about online security. Surfshark's no logs policy ensures that your online activities are your business and yours alone. They don't track or store your browsing history, IP address, or any other data that could be used to identify you. This commitment to privacy is further reinforced by their use of RAM-only servers. One of the things that sets Surfshark apart is its user-friendliness. Even if you're new to VPNs, you'll find Surfshark incredibly easy to set up and use. The interface is clean, intuitive, and straightforward. With just a few clicks, you can connect to a server in your preferred location and start browsing securely. Surfshark also offers apps for all major platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even Linux. This makes it incredibly convenient to protect all your devices with a single Surfshark account, and if you ever run into any issues, Surfshark's customer support is there to help you 24/7. Their team is knowledgeable and responsive, ensuring that you're never left stranded. Whether you have a technical question or need help troubleshooting a connection issue, Surfshark's support team is just a click away. Surfshark truly shines when it comes to value for your money. Unlike many other VPN providers that limit the number of devices you can connect simultaneously, Surfshark offers unlimited simultaneous connections. This means you can protect all your devices, from your laptop and smartphone to your tablet and smart TV, with just one Surfshark subscription. This is a fantastic feature for families or anyone with multiple devices. It ensures that everyone in your household can enjoy the benefits of a secure and private internet connection without having to worry about device limits. This unlimited connection policy is a testament to Surfshark's commitment to providing affordable and accessible online security for everyone. It's a feature that truly sets them apart from the competition, making Surfshark an exceptional value proposition for users looking to protect all their devices without breaking the bank.